Hi friends, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, let's talk about coffee, something I love. A drink so many of us, not just me, love. And for good reason. Beyond the comforting aroma and energy boost, coffee has some incredible science-backed health benefits that might surprise you. Research shows that coffee is exceedingly rich in polyphenol antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and support overall health in numerous ways. It also contains a nice dose of soluble fiber, something most people don't know, that your good gut bugs thrive on. So it's not surprising that studies have linked regular coffee consumption to a reduced risk of several health concerns, including type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, depression, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Coffee can also acutely boost focus and memory, and even help lower the risk of dementia and cognitive decline as we age. Another exciting benefit is its potential to support metabolic health. Coffee can boost your metabolism a bit and improve fat oxidation, making it a great addition to an active, healthy lifestyle. And for athletes or anyone who enjoys exercise, a cup of coffee before your workout can enhance performance and endurance. Of course, like anything, the dose is key. Stick to a few cups a day before midday. Remember, caffeine wrecks your sleep, and avoid loading it with sugar or cream to keep it healthy. And if you're sensitive to caffeine, the latest studies support you can still enjoy much of the benefits with decaf. That gets me to my morning coffee routine, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay. Hey everybody, people are always asking me about how we make our delicious coffee that's free of contact with plastics and things like that. So I'm going to share that with you today. So the first thing is, I love my fellow unbelievable electric kettle for heating the water. So you put it up to the temp you want. You have this delightful, purposeful spout that allows you to pour over correctly. I'll show you that in a minute. And this is the best coffee grinder that you can get. It's nice and quiet. I love it. Again, I have no connections to any of these products, but it's fantastic. This is our favorite coffee. It is organic, and I do a combination of decaf and caffeinated. So the one with caffeine is the Counterculture Big Trouble. And then we do their Counterculture. I don't have a picture of it right now, but I do the Counterculture decaf, which is called Slow Motion. And, I have jars that I put my ground beans in. This is decaf. This is my regular. All right. Okay. And then, depending on how many people are drinking coffee, we do pour overs. So if there are two or more, we're usually going to do the carafe, this larger carafe, and these wonderful paper filters. You get all this at the standard grocery store. This fit right in there, and you can see, again, this is glass, no plastic there. And then you just put your desired amount of your ground coffee in. Again, I do half regular, half decaf. And so that's going to be an amount for two or more people. And then if it's just one person, or like just me, then I may do the single pour over. And again, you can order this all this stuff you can get right on Amazon. So this is kind of the classic brand of this larger carafe is Chemex. And these, let's see, I think Melita makes these. And so that's a single for a single cup. So I hope that helps you and perfecting your coffee routine. Thanks. So the next time you sip your coffee, remember, it's not just delicious, it's doing your body some good too. Let me know if you're a coffee lover or if you'd like me to share more tips about your favorite beverages. And thank you so much for watching. Please share this message with others so they can benefit too.